Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Wander Roads. So today we are at Krishneshwari temple. It's one of the 12 Jyotirling. So the specialty of this Jyotirling is it is the smallest and the 12th Jyotirling. So it is located in Maharashtra. We started our journey from Mangalore by road and we reached Aurangabad. Now after covering the Krishneshwari, we have come to Ellora Caves. So Ellora Caves is one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. So there is a parking space and there is a parking fees also, and even for the entry, you need to pay about 35 rupees. Do carry cash because there is no online payment, and I think there is option to do the online booking also. You can pause and have a look at this map, and while we are going, we found this interesting monkey. I don't know what you call langur or something. And we have electric vehicle facility which you saw right now, and that will take you to several sections of this caves. So from there you need to walk a little bit, and you can go to the site. I don't exactly recall the site. There are multiple caves like this. And what is so special about this caves is like it was built at 6th century. Inside, there are interesting carvings which you can see, and it's really good, interesting. You must go and visit. One of the interesting fact about this Kailasa temple, which is the 16th cave in Ellora, is that it was carved from one single rock, which you also called as megalith. So from top to bottom. So you can imagine, even with the latest tools and technology, it's nearly impossible to carve into this, top to bottom. So it's really an interesting place to go, and it's very mysterious too. But it was very sunny though. We had planned this trip when Mahakumbh was going on, nearly about a month back. So now after finishing this Ellora caves, we are heading towards Prayagraj from there. So Prayagraj, Mahakumbh, we plan to visit, and we are going there. So as you can see here, day 2 we are at Prayagraj, and you can already see the vlog, and we were like, oh my god, what it will be, how it is going to be. But yeah, no roads are boring when you have a great company, and we had very interesting people around. And my pro driver Tanmay Bhaiya, he took a nice turn saying that it's a shortcut, and you can see the shortcut literally off-road. So there are these sunflowers. I don't know what it is, but I called it sunflower, and I regret the decision. So later on we got a localite who told they will take us to the Sangam river point, and we had paid about like 500 per person. So they took us till the point. We parked our vehicle and we went by two-wheeler because we couldn't take our car till the Sangam point. So right now we are at Sangam point, and after so much of bargaining and discussion, without even reducing a single rupee, we had to go on these boats and somehow reached into this place, and got to say this is just magical. The whole place you can see, it's really good. Had a nice snan over here and got about 20 liters, and not for the sale. just for the friends. And day 3 we reached Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, and luckily we got a really big room for an affordable price, and even if it was good, everything was functional. It's a fab hotel. Mahakaleshwar was the name, I believe. There were 2 rooms in here. It was worth it. Even food was okay. And next day morning, we came to Mahakaleshwar temple. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the bus Marti because we had to do the booking way too sooner, maybe a week before or 14 days before. And then we headed towards the Omkareshwar, another Jyotirling. So we are already late. We are not sure like whether we'll reach, and there's this interesting sign we found. And then we reached Omkareshwar. It was like very beautiful to see, but there was a long queue in Omkareshwar, so we could not make it to the temple due to our limited time available. So we head back towards, and then we head towards Nasik. We got an Airbnb. Previous night itself we booked an Airbnb. Luckily host was very responsive, got it booked. And then we head towards Sita Gufa in Nasik. So it is believed that as per Hindu epic Ramayana, Nasik name came because of Lord Rama cut off the nose of Surpanaka. So this is the place where in Nasik the Mahakumbh will be held. So, and it is called Ramkund, I believe. Soon after that, we head towards Triambakeshwar, one of the Jyotirling, and it was really good, very peaceful, and I can't explain it. You have to go and experience. So it was a great experience over here. Then after coming out, my Tanmay Bhaiya, he wanted a Rudraksh, and there was a shop outside the temple where they would we could pick a Rudraksh, and they would open it and give there itself. And soon after that we head towards our room, and last minute we made a chance to go to Sula vineyard, but unfortunately we did not get a place to explore because it was already late. All right, and next day after the Nasik we head towards our last Jyotirling, which is Bhim Shankar. So we are going there. So it was already late, and we had finished 5 Jyotirling, and this was left side was the Hubli and right side was Mangalore ice cream cake. So this is a short video. Thank you so much for watching.